guys, it's Chad with A&A Center Trailers. It's going to take a minute to do a walk around on one of our equipment trailers. Here's our DP Platinum 20-foot 14K equipment trailer. Comes standard with a 6-inch 8-inch main frame, 12,000-pound jack, adjustable coupler that can be removed. Of course, your breakaway kit has the rub reel, tie-down knee rings, as well as state pockets. Two 7,000-pound axles, 16-inch 8-lug tires and hubs. These fenders are both removable if you needed a little extra width. You have your mega ramps, spring-loaded, of course, to help lift them up and down. All LED lights. Pressure-treated wood floor. And your DOT tank. This trailer is available for sale along with plenty of other ones. If you'd be interested in finding out more about one of the trailers that we have, you can contact us at 770-603-8511 or check out our website at aacenter.net. Thanks.